we'll have a fish curry, bombil fry for sure. This is amber tikhar.
They have these really thin bones, no?
Yeah, but you're supposed to like.
Just eat them. I was still looking for them actually.
Oh God, you'll spend the entire next couple of Sunday brunches just looking for those starters then.
I'm lucky to have a meal at Gajali with Shefali.
Oh God, you're a poet and you know. I almost contemplated not wearing white. If you're wearing a tight-fitted jeans or something, you unbutton the top hook or loosen the nada.
So you're the only non-vegetarian in the house.
In a गुज्जू कच्ची जैन house. तो मतलब गजाली में लाकर करूँगी क्या? मटर पनीर खिलाऊँगी. I like food which is very regional. Somebody says I want to eat Punjabi in Bombay, तो उनको शायद एक थप्पड़ मारना चाहिए. I did Darlings, me and Alia. I did Jalsa, Vidya and me. They are stars. They will get paid more than me. People will buy tickets and come to see.
I would disagree. I would buy the ticket and watch it for you. What if you could go back and give advice to your younger 20-year-old self?
Don't be in a hurry to get married. You'd rather be single and happy than married and unhappy.
आपको इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है that you're just stuffing your mouth with cake.
Yeah. Her husband bullies her. He keeps picking on her for her weight. If you're thin, you're beautiful. If you're fair, you're beautiful. Or if you're dark, you can't be beautiful, which is so stupid.
You did mention how even in Dil Dhadakne though, the wife is feeling bullied by her husband. And I would like to believe that it's very common. मुंबई में अगर आपको बढ़िया सी फूड खाना हो तो सबसे पहला नाम गजाली का ही आता है। यहाँ की अगर क्रैब करी और बॉम्बिल फ्राई आपने नहीं खाया तो मुंबई में रहकर आपने क्या ही किया। और इस स्पेशल मील को एंजॉय करने के लिए मुझे चाहिए एक स्पेशल कंपनी। इन्होंने अपने हर रोल में जान डाल दी है। Be it playing a mom, a fearless cop, or even someone in a complicated relationship. तो सी फूड की इस दावत को मैं एंजॉय करूंगी with शेफाली शाह। Nice to meet you.
Wonderful to meet you.
And what a place you've chosen.
I love
Rolling. We're ready? 3, 2, 1. Action.
Hello.
Hello, Kamala.
And very warm welcome to Sunday Brunch. I'm particularly very excited to meet you. I'm lucky to have a meal at Gajali with Shefali.
Oh God, you're a poet and you know it.
This is the best I can do. We are meeting at a time which is like 5 o'clock in the evening.
Yeah.
5:50. Lunch खाया है या?
आज मैं exceptionally भूखी थी, इसीलिए
अच्छा।
मैंने कुछ लंच खाया. Actually नहीं खाना चाहिए.
I saved my appetite for this
Obvious.
place. तो आप आते रहते हो यहाँ पर?
हमारा बाहर जाना ही बहुत कम हो चुका है. We've all become very complacent and हमें just like अभी घर से कौन निकलेगा और फिर कौन तैयार होगा. Just let's be in pajamas and sit at home. So another thing is my परिवार is vegetarian. तो मतलब गजाली में लाकर करूँगी क्या? मटर पनीर खिलाऊँगी. It'll be like really tragic.
So you're the only non-vegetarian in the house.
इन गुज्जू कच्ची जैन house.
तो घर पर बनता है या नहीं बनता ज्यादा?
घर पर बनता नहीं है, घर पर आता नहीं है. I just love fish. I'm a complete foodie. और I cook well. I make this Mangalorean curry with aam, kacha pakka aam, prawns bhujna that I used to make, but that obviously my parents and some of my friends have eaten it.
Yeah.
I make very nice nani wali dal.
Nani wali?
Nani wali dal because nani made it for the bachchas. My mom's dal, which I think everybody has this thing ना कि मेरी मम्मी जो दाल बनाती है, there's something special about it. और फिर बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी लगती थी, so it got named as nani wali dal.
And that is tur dal, moong dal,
मूंग
dal.
Very very simple, very simple.
लेकिन आज हम दाल की बात नहीं करेंगे. आज हम गजाली में. क्या होता है आपका usual order?
Bombil fry and bombil fry. No, and so there is fish curry, of course. There is soul curry you have to have. If it wasn't 5 o'clock, probably even a beer with food is a great idea. Because गजाली में आप खाना खाने हैं, उसके बाद घर जाकर सोना चाहिए. It has to be like that. मतलब इसके बाद कोई जाकर काम नहीं कर सकता. अगर कोई मुझे बोले कि मैं गजाली जाकर बटर पनीर या बटर चिकन खाए तो उनको शायद एक थप्पड़ मारना चाहिए. It's blasphemous. You can't do it.
यहाँ पे ऑर्डर भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली प्लेस किया जाता है.
Oh yeah. I know. Okay. See, that is when the guilt kicks in.
I know.
I'm sorry. You know, you have a demeanor of somebody I know very closely. The way you speak, the way
Really?
you, yeah, Radhika. She also is a stylist. She's very,
Okay.
very good, and she's a sweet girl.
I would love to meet Radhika
Yeah.
sometime.
Yeah, very similar. Certain kind of softness about it.
Oh, how
and
sweet.
it's
Thank you.
Hi, good evening.
Hi, good
Hi,
evening.
good evening.
I think we'll have a fish curry. Give us
Fish
soul
curry.
curry. Give me a bombil fry for sure. Is there a gravy or is it just both of them have like a proper gravy?
तो आप मराठी भी बहुत fluently बोल लेते
It's like a mini India kind of a thing. मेरी जो grandmother थी, Nani, she was a Maharashtrian. Nana was a Gujarati. So mom's a Gujarati, half Maharashtrian. She married a Shetty. My dad's a Shetty. I'm a Shetty, Gujarati, Marathi, and married to a Kutchi. So I'm like a big,
So you've always been a Mumbai girl?
yes, born and brought up here.
And which school, college did you
Arya
go
Vidya
to?
Mandir, and then I was in Mithibai. I was in theatre. Suddenly, at a point in time, I realized I was doing that full-fledged. I decided to finish my graduation via
Correspondence?
yes.
किस तरह के स्टूडेंट थे जब आप कॉलेज
Horrible.
अटेंड करें?
Horrible. जब मेरे ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर भी स्कूल में होंगे ना, तभी से सारे टीचर्स एक लाइन सीख कर आई. Great potential, just doesn't focus. Okay, you know, there was a set template. You just had to fit into it. My dad comes from Mangalore, which is a very, very confined, not a liberal thinking community. So acting in a Shetty household तो was मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता. That kind of a thing. But my dad and mom were very, very.
As in when you get opportunities,
I
do
kept doing it. Yeah. So I think till a very, very long time, I don't think any one of us realized that, oh, this is going to be my profession and this is what I'm going to do for the rest of my life.
How many years have you doing?
I started working when I was around, what, 16? My first play I did when I was 10 years old.
Oh, you also making money out of
Like 200 rupees or something?
per show.
Yeah.
Do you remember your first ever paycheck?
No, I don't. Actually, maybe my mom and grandmom ate it up. And the chutney is very good.
And it's a combination. You have to have bombil fry with that chutney.
No, I mean, you can have it by itself, just put a little bit of nimbu, but it's
Yeah.
really good chutney. Is this that amboti? Ambar tikhat? Nahi. Ah, that is ambar tikhat. Oh, sab khana aa gaya? Okay, thank you very much. It's a lot of food on the tables. This is
Looks like
it's
uttappa.
appam type of a thing, na? Ghawne, nahi.
Amboli.
It's amboli.
How's it?
Have the bombil before it becomes
Soggy.
soggy.
Has to be crispy. They have these really thin bones, na?
Yeah, but you're supposed to like
Just eat them. गले में नहीं अटकेगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
I was so looking for them actually.
Oh, God, you'll spend the entire next couple of Sunday brunches just looking for those katas then.
And this fish is home to like only you find it only in Mumbai. It's called
maybe
Bombay
no.
duck also.
Yeah, it's called so
Bombay
then
duck.
maybe yeah.
Yeah. वो तो chutney is so good.
No, very good chutney. So one day I think I'd asked them for the recipe or something. They gave me. I don't think it worked out well. And apparently it's just adrak, lasun, and pyaz.
It's quite nice.
I'm a major rice eater. If somebody said, you know, what would you choose? Roti or dosa or rice for the rest of your life? I would say rice. You can be really innovative with it. I like food which is very regional. Otherwise, I think it's a waste. Somebody says, I want to eat Punjabi in Bombay, my heart breaks. So I love the food when you're traveling from, let's say, Delhi or Amritsar, Chandigarh, that on the roads or even over there in the hotels or whatever. It's great food. I'm not saying you don't get very good Punjabi food here. I just don't like it and I don't know where you get it.
But tell me, आपको non-veg पसंद है, like especially seafood. Like I'm seeing you're really
हाँ.
relishing it. And Vipul sir is a vegetarian. तो आप दोनों जब साथ में बैठकर Sunday brunch करते होंगे,
हाँ.
तो क्या खाते हो?
It's very sweet because he's taken over the menu deciding now. He gives recipes to my cook. I'm very excited about it. Sunday brunch normally is this thing called dal dhokli, rasse wala aloo and puri, chole kulcha, kadi
Oh.
chawal, like that kind of a thing.
A lot of us are beginning to feel very guilty about enjoying our meals.
I think I felt guilty for a very long time. Then I decided no, it's not worth it. And you have to enjoy your food. I love my food.
You eat like all proper 3 meals in a day.
My meal planning is something nobody should ever follow. It's extremely erratic. It's extremely unhealthy because there are days and days, let's say at home, I'm not going to office. I actually land up only having my night dinner. Now my tea and coffee is practically stopped. But earlier it would be tea, coffee, Diet Coke and chas. That's it. All day. And then I would eat dinner with Vipul. and
But
the
that was
boys
by
and all.
choice कि मैं ऐसा करूँ weight loss के
No,
लिए या
it
भूख ही
wasn't
नहीं
for weight
लगती?
loss because it was just like अभी अकेले कौन खाएगा now forget it now
This is heart of Ghazali. Soul curry.
Soul curry. So is this one of your favorite? He mentioned इसका क्या नाम है?
This is ambat tikhat.
Ambat tikkat.
हाँ, so
Okay.
ambat is खट्टा and tikhat is tikha.
Prawn. Oh, okay.
हाँ. Can you somebody help us like serve us?
This is a place where you got to get really, really messy.
Yeah, absolutely. I almost contemplated not wearing white.
White and
Like it'll splatter all over.
it's not a good idea to come to Ghazali and wear white color. कहीं भी
And
गिरेगा.
or wear fitted clothes. Please don't go to eat dinner or food when you really want to eat. Wear comfortable clothes. If you're wearing a tight fitted jeans or something, you unbutton the top hook or loosen the nada of a pajama because you want to eat so much
I
food.
know.
Wow, it's nice, no? It's very pickly.
You know, we are talking about relationship with food. और मुझे एक सीन जो दिल धड़कने दो में याद है is when you are stress eating. आपको इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है that you are just stuffing your mouth with cake.
Yeah.
And that's a very normal thing to do with
When
so
I did
many
that
people.
scene, and so many women came to me after that and said, "Oh God, that's us," which is heartbreaking, and at the same time, it made sense. Well, good to know that people identify with what I'm doing. First, that moment was on paper. So that moment by itself is a director's moment. It was a very powerful moment. It had to work. Her husband bullies her. He's not treating her right. And she can see that he's not being faithful. It's stress eating. It's also like eating on a rebound because he keeps picking on her for her weight. I remember I
So-
was on a diet once where there was no carb and all that stuff. And after 3 months of being on that diet, one day I had carbs. I can't tell you, I slept like a baby. And I think your brain functions better when you have carbs. It's just on protein, it doesn't work.
Do you think जिस इंडस्ट्री जिसमें आप हैं उसमें आप कैसे दिखते हैं कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है और कितना स्ट्रेसफुल भी होता है कि आप अपनी मर्जी से खा सकते हैं या नहीं खा सकते हैं बिकॉज मैं कई एक्टर्स से मिलती हूँ जो कई बार यू नो आर नॉट ईटिंग द वे टुडे यू एंड आई आर ईटिंग
Everybody scrutinizes the way you look, how you look. And unfortunately, if you're thin, you're beautiful. If you're fair, you're beautiful. So if you're fat, you can't be beautiful. Or if you're dark, you can't be beautiful, which is so stupid. The kind of conditioning that's happened over years. Us being in the limelight, it becomes even more important for us to want to look our best. I can imagine what stars and heroines go through. I haven't been in that place. I work, but I do stuff where I'm playing a character. So the more authentic I am, the better I am. It's not about how beautiful Shefali looks. Delhi Crime, if I have to show, if I'm going to be there with my dark circles and no makeup, that's who she's going to be. That adds to my character, that adds to me as an actor. For heroines, for stars, where people look up to you and idolize saying, oh my God, she's so beautiful and that is your trump card. I can't even imagine what they must be going through.
आपने बताया आप सोते कम हो
Not good. Now it's become like a habit. In fact, now on and off, I do sleep, let's say at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, which is a great time for me, okay? Earlier, though, I remember I used to be up all night. सुबह बच्चों को स्कूल के लिए उठाती थी, उनको नाश्ता, उनका नहाना वाना हो जाए, उनको नाश्ता बनाकर खिलाती थी, उनको स्कूल बस तक छोड़ती थी, उसके बाद आकर सोती थी. Because then it would be like, अभी 6 तो बज गए, 7 बजे तो उनको उठाना है, अभी 1 घंटे के लिए मैं क्या सोऊं? Then there was a whole patch where I used to paint a lot. So then mom and me used to sit all night and listen to music and paint and have chai. मतलब भूतनाथ I got from my mother only.
इट्स जेनेटिक
Yeah, I'm sure it's genetic.
फिर आप फिर करते क्या हो रात को अभी
Read. Now, you know, now honestly, the culprit is the phone. And I know I'm supposed to like switch off all technology. My brain doesn't stop. It's exhausting. So it's like, isko band karo. When we shot for Delhi Crime and we had night shoots. I love night shoots. I'm probably one of those rare human beings who loves night shoots.
you'd
I
rather be
love it.
working than just stare at your
Easily.
ceiling
And it's just calmer. It's
Yeah.
quiet. The weather's much
Yeah.
better. It's so much more productive also, I feel.
you're talking about your first show was Hasrate your first show or no no right
The first thing I think I did was Nukkad. And then I did Tara, Banegi
yeah,
Apni
Tara.
Baat. I did quite a bit of television at that point of time.
But that show about extramarital affair and everything, you were single at that point of time, right?
I was just married.
You had an extramarital affair in that show, right?
Yeah. So there is this character called Savi.
Yeah,
She's
Savi.
married and then she
Yes.
has an extramarital affair with someone. So she was, anyway, the character was much older than my age. And it was like, we didn't know whether it would work, wouldn't work, became so popular. It was a show which was ahead of its time.
Ahead of its time, absolutely.
So at that point of time, it was just about a scene, about a show, about the popularity, about the praise you get. I don't think I had the depth to understand or evaluate. Yes, we have the power of cinema where we can make a point where people will watch it, but to say that it's going to change mindset is not true. Today, when I do something, I absorb it far more than just it being work, because I'm going into the psychosis of the character, etc., etc.
But you don't think like entertainment or cinema actually influences or changes people's mindsets?
It could influence, it can't change. I wish it had the power to,
Yeah.
but it can't. A lot of stuff is blamed on, these item songs are what puts a wrong thought into somebody's head. And my argument to that is, but there are films which talk about extremely strong women characters and about how to
Yeah.
protect women. Why is that not adapted as well?
You did mention how even in Dil Dhadakne though, the wife is feeling bullied by her husband. And I would like to believe that it's very common. If you have been married for a really long period of time, you
Yeah.
start taking each other for granted, and bullying is the normal language that
Yeah.
you communicate in.
I remember one particular film I did which had a very strong impact, and that has an impact that is played over years. It was one of the first films I did, Monsoon Wedding.
Right. Yeah.
The character I played, and it was, she's been molested as a child. I know so many women have walked up to me and said, you gave us strength to voice what we went through. We went through it, but never had the courage to come up and speak about it, even in our family. And which makes so much of a difference to know that if that was solace, I think I kind of succeeded in doing whatever I went out.
Have you ever counted the number of films?
I don't have a very long resume, but I like to believe it's a pretty strong resume. I must have done about like 20, 30 projects. I don't think that. I think I've said no more often than yes.
It's good name.
Instinct plays a very big part for me. Very big part. Touch wood, it has worked for me. But it's always the story, it's the script that has to really touch you. Parallel is the character, director being very important. When you have a terrific director, even if it is a small part, it will get its due. If a director is looking at it only through the commercial point of view,
Yeah.
then all characters which are not the hero or heroine will get lost.
आप किसी की एडवाइस लेते हो या खुद डिसाइड करते हो कि क्या करना है?
Creative decision is almost always mine. I talk to Vipul, I talk to my agents, but the decision is finally mine.
Have you ever done a project जहाँ सबने मना किया हो पर फिर भी आपने किया हो because your instinct said yes?
A lot of them actually. When I did Delhi Crime 1, it wasn't the most commercially viable project or whatever. But when I heard the script and I was like, I have to do this. In the first 5 minutes, I said yes for it. I've not even read the script. There are a lot of things that I do because I just feel so passionately about. I love what I do. So somebody might say, why would you do a 3 of us? It's not a commercial film. But I can't tell you the joy it gave me just doing that.
Has there been any character जो आपको personally आप बहुत relate कर पाए उस character से?
Every character does have a strain of who I am.
Which
And vice versa. Like Vartika from DC, I think she is as no nonsense as I am. Like in terms of she doesn't mince words. Of course, she has the power
Yeah.
also where she can just tell somebody to shut up and she'll get away with it. She's very righteous. She's honest. I think that is what I'd like to believe I am.
Does it get you in trouble?
Oh yeah. So now I keep quiet. Like I remember we used to go for a film screening.
Yeah.
After the end of it, I used to tell the director what
कि
I
अच्छी
felt.
नहीं लगी?
No, I don't think. So later, Vipul said, "You can't do that, dude." I said, "But they asked me." He said, "Yeah, but you don't. You can't take them seriously." After a point in time, what I started doing is when the end credits rolled, I would look at him and say, "क्या बोलना है?" He would tell me. Very interesting. After a point of time, he just stopped asking me to come for screening. He said, "तुम मत आओ, please मत आओ."
Of course, I'm inspired by all the roles you play. पर सबसे ज्यादा इंस्पायर हुई आपका Instagram पोस्ट देखकर जो आपने सोलो ट्रैवल करने का डिसाइड किया. और ये आपने अभी रिसेंटली पहली बार सोलो ट्रैवल किया?
Yeah. काम के लिए किया हुआ है
हाँ.
पहले. Vipul's working, the boys are working, I'm working. So I look forward to these holidays. So in my mind, holidays is always with someone. First being family, husband
Right.
and children. And second being my girls,
Your girls are your friends.
my closest friends. Yeah.
How many do you have? You have many friends.
Around 7, 8.
That's not bad actually.
Not
Women as they grow older, their friend circle becomes smaller.
Which is true. Also, as you grow older, it's very difficult to make new friends. There are certain relationships that have happened over the last couple of years, and they're some of my strongest relationships. Isme se 2 are my sisters, and my one friend, we started theatre together when we were
Okay.
15. So these are my oldest relationships.
But they're also not from the film industry. No. और बहुत जरूरी होता है एक फ्रेंड सर्कल भी
Oh
होना
my
outside of your
God,
family.
it is irreplaceable. मतलब they are my vertebrae, my spine.
लाइफ में इतनी सिचुएशंस ऐसी आती है जो आप पेरेंट्स के साथ नहीं डिस्कस कर सकते, जो अपने स्पाउस के साथ नहीं डिस्कस कर सकते, ना बच्चों के साथ.
Absolutely. और स्पाउस और
that's
बच्चों के प्रॉब्लम्स जाकर किसको बताएंगे? फ्रेंड्स तो चाहिए ना. So again, it was a family trip we were planning. Suddenly, it wasn't going to happen, and that is when I said, you know what? Why am I just? I don't want to wait anymore. So it might have started from the place of fine, you all don't want to come, I'll do it. But then it was not about that anymore. I'm so glad it happened in a certain way. So
How
I went
did
to Rishikesh, and I was staying in this property on the banks of the river. So it was
Wow.
just amazing. It was on the banks of the Ganga. That doesn't give you space to think. Also, I had decided there are certain things I wanted to do. Like I wanted to go rafting. So I went rafting. I went for the aarti. Would just go sit there, have my coffee and read a book or not read a book. Just sit there and just watch that river.
पर वापस करोगे सोलो ट्रिप.
उसके बाद तुरंत मैंने की.
I'm sure your
Corbett.
family is regretting
Yeah,
कि हमने
कहा यार इसको मना कर दिया. Then I went to Corbett. I was there for 3 days, and then I just went to Manali. This time when I was in Manali, then after 3 days I felt I wanted to share this beautiful place and experience with my husband. So I called him and I said, "Come now." He came, and it was a beautiful. There have been hours in those days where I did nothing but stare at the mountains. And then of course I went for a trek, and I went on the ATV and like did all of that. Also went paragliding from 8,000
Wow.
feet, and all of that I did.
And
Made a ridiculous looking snowman and jumped around in the snow and spat and had a beautiful time. I was like a child in a candy shop. I'd never seen snow in my life, kind of a thing.
You know, one of the most difficult things to do today is to do nothing.
Oh yeah, and it's very difficult for me. Your mind needs to really stop. मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है because I need constant activity. Where I was staying, they had this beautiful, they used to call it the skylight room. So it was a glass house. You could see the sky and you could see the mountains. So I would go there after lunch with my book and my phone, and I would say, okay, I'll lie there and read. I did not open my book at all. I have done nothing.
How long did you go
It
like
was
that?
therapeutic. Every day from I think 3 o'clock, after lunch I would go to that room. I would be there till 7 o'clock, till sundown. Because I didn't want to miss anything while the sun was still
Oh, wow, it's such a beautiful
I had to just
moment.
be there.
With your newfound love for travel, what have you realized? क्या औरतों की अपनी एक independent life होनी चाहिए outside of their marriage?
Honestly, it's not come because I traveled alone. It's not rocket science. You know, we are all conditioned to be living our lives for our family and with our family. And I'm not taking away the fact that family is priceless. But I don't think we give enough importance to ourselves. Having said that, I still don't. It's going to be a work in progress forever. I genuinely feel if we can treat ourselves the way we choose to treat the people we love ना, उतना भी करो काफी हो जाएगा. We let go of a lot of stuff when it comes to somebody we love. But that same logic doesn't apply to yourself. You're so hard on yourself. And guilt, oh my God. So yeah.
So I'm going to give you a few scenarios with what ifs, and you're going to tell me what do you think about it, okay? So what if women rule the world? What would be the biggest positive change we would see?
I think we start listening. And a lot of issues can be solved if you first listen and then react. And I somehow feel that there is less negative competition when it's women. There is this whole stupid thing that people say that, oh, women are each other's worst enemy, and it's bullshit. I think women support each other like nobody's business. Everything would be probably handled with a little more sensitivity.
So I also met recently Dr. Kiran Bedi, the first IPS
Right,
officer.
of course.
After talking to her, I realized that she's dhakar, she's sakt, but she's also very narm. Even Delhi crime for that matter, even though you're playing a role
Yeah.
of a police officer, but the nurturing factor that
Yeah.
women
Absolutely.
come with, that
And
really
the thing
changes the
is,
dynamics.
You can't have fighters unless they very strongly feel the pain. Vartika fights, or you know, Kiran ma'am fights for justice because she
Yeah.
feels it very strongly.
But also, if you look at it in the corporate world, when there are women leaders, they're never at par with men, or they're always made to feel inferior or smaller. How do you think women can overcome that?
I hope it changes because our generation, the responsibility of changing our children's mindset is very necessary to be able to change everything around. I genuinely believe that our women will be safe, they will have a richer and a better life if our sons are raised right. You know, for somebody who never saw women, forget higher than themselves and or even on the same platform, that was another generation. Today's generation, people work side by side. It's not a culture shock for them. I'm sure they can accept it that, yeah, okay, we're partners, whether it's in a marriage or it's at work.
You are a mom to 2 sons. What is it that you often tell them?
The first time they were moving out of home, they were very, very young, going abroad. They wanted to be soccer players, so they were leaving. They were around 10 and 11. The first thing I told them is, I said that, you know, if you ever hurt a woman, I am going to physically badger you. So don't you ever do that. I don't know whether that's had any effect or not, but I'd like to believe it is. When they go out, let's say for a party or with friends, they do feel that the women are their responsibility in terms of making sure that they're protected, they're safe.
What if you could go back and give advice to your younger 20-year-old self? What would you say?
Don't be in a hurry to get married. Live your life to the fullest. Take risks. What will happen? You'll fail now. What is the worst that can happen? You know, you suddenly feel, oh my God, this one said this, and then you feel finished, I'm barbad and all that. It's not like that. I think the need to please everyone, to follow norms that were always set, was so high. To be liked, I'd be denying if I said that even till date, I want to be liked. To change your entire being just so that you'll be liked is a lot of that. Samne wala human being might move on. The only person you're left with is yourself. How are you going to deal with that then?
A lot of people now are choosing not to get married. When
Or not get married at all. There are so many couples who don't want to have kids. Definitely not get into a full-time relationship of a marriage or choose to be a parent unless you're dead sure. Look, all the romance goes out after the honeymoon period. The honeymoon period does not last for lifelong. Marriage is adjustment. You may love each other, but you're not necessarily going to like each other every day. There are going to be things you will disagree on. What you thought works for you today may not work for you tomorrow because you're changing and so is the person. So everything that seemed very romantic may not seem that way. Marriage or having children has to be a very well thought of, and it has to almost be a calling. If you don't have this craving and calling for it, don't do it. It's going to be the most selfish and the most selfless thing you will ever do. It will be your boon, it will be your bane. It will be your kids will be your strength, your kids will be your weakness.
You said do it only when you are dead sure. But to be honest, one can never be dead sure about it.
I agree. But you know, when you're getting, like, I have 2 pups. My kids want more pups. We got Ash and Simba very late. Like, we got them 4 years ago. Boys keep saying, we'll take care of it.
Yeah.
You know that boys are not going to take care of it. I wasn't game for it simply because I wasn't sure I'm ready to take responsibility. It's a life you're getting home. Bloody well take care of. Are you ready to give that kind of commitment?
And it's okay not to marry at all.
If that doesn't work for you, you shouldn't. No? You'd rather be single and happy than married and unhappy.
But a lot of single women beyond 30, 35, 40, all they are thinking is when will we get married? They are not even satisfied with their relationship
But that
status
is going
then.
to be, you've never explored the other side, no? So you don't know. I'm not saying that being single is better or being married is better. What I'm saying is if you are not sure, you'd rather not be married because there are a lot of repercussions that happen post.
Of course.
I have friends who are single who must be wishing that they had a family. I mean, actually, we should ask them.
It's like, I think, laddu, jo
Yeah,
खाए पचता है, जो
exactly.
ना खाए वो
वो भी,
पचता
yeah.
है. But आपको पता है, Japan is moving in a way where बच्चे नहीं कर रहे हैं, शादी नहीं कर रहे हैं, their population is dropping, and the government is actually giving them incentives कि they've reduced the working hours that go home and have babies. I don't think India will have that problem though.
No, I'd never. Never. But you know, there are so many young couples I know who don't want to have kids.
But
I don't even-
बुढ़ापे का सहारा.
Oh please, कोई बुढ़ापे का सहारा नहीं
नहीं
होता.
है
I mean,
ना?
what is the guarantee that your children are going to look after? I never ever want to be in a position where I have to ask anything of my children. I want to be independent. What I only probably would need from them is emotions and love and respect. Not financial, not independence. I don't want anyone else to fend for me. I don't want to be in that position where I can be dependent on anyone, ever.
आज जब आप काम करते हो, I'm sure, touch wood, you're in a good space. Are you working for money or you're not. But still having that independence of, you know, जो मैं चाहूँ मैं ले सकती हूँ
Yeah.
is important.
Absolutely. Like this holiday that I want to do. If I wasn't earning, I'm not sure I would have been able to do it. Because I have earned, I can also make a choice of saying, you know what, I don't want to do this just for the money part of it. It's a great project. It'll give me lots of money, but my heart isn't in it.
Yeah.
I won't do it. You know, if I didn't have any kind of financial security, I would be like, listen, just pick up whatever we are getting here.
You know, I'm also beginning to realize that काम करना is also like a mental exercise because
Yeah.
you're not free and you're doing something more productive.
It's like we are lucky to be doing what we love tremendously. So
Yeah.
I'm the happiest when I'm on set. And I don't know how many people would be very excited about going to sit in a 9 to 5 job. But having said that, it's worth that effort
Yeah.
because what it's going to give you in return is independence.
And do you ever feel on the set how characters are treated versus how actors are treated, or how big is their vanity versus how big is the character's vanity?
Absolutely hota hai. It's sad, but it is how it is. Everyone negotiates hard. A lot of people are very insensitive as well. See, for them, they're doing a job. They're running a production. It doesn't have emotions involved. So they forget basic kindness. You know, certain people will want to extend 4 hours of shoot. For them, it's like, Arey, what is the big deal? But you don't realize the guy who does the lighting comes at 4 in the morning. He's left from Nala Sopara at 3 o'clock. So when you extend those extra 4 hours, we are equipped to doing it. And we'll get paid for it. How much is that guy going to make? Or, you know, like I've seen productions where the food is bad. Food is different for the crew and food is different for the cast. How can you do that?
आपने बोला सब negotiate करते हैं, and I'm sure आपकी भी जो deals होती है उसमें commercial angle होता है.
Absolutely.
तो आप खुद negotiate
नहीं,
करते हो?
बिल्कुल नहीं, क्योंकि मैं कर ही नहीं पाती.
It's a problem with artists.
You know, it's almost like either we'll give you a good role or we'll give you money. It's so ridiculous. But because I have a team who says no, we'll give you a good role and they have to pay you because you are
Absolutely.
going to deliver.
What if you had said yes to a role that you turned down?
No, actually not. I took a decision because Shefali at that age, that moment thought that was the right thing to do. And if I've said no for something where I've instinctively not felt like doing it, then I wouldn't want to do it even aage jaake.
What if women in Bollywood were paid equally to men? How do you think the industry would change?
Oh my God, it would be fantastic. I think the difference is more of star versus a non-star. Yes, there is a hero and a heroine. Hero gets paid more, heroine gets paid less. But let's say it's a heroine and a parallel act. She probably will get paid more than the other actor. I did Darlings, me and Alia. I did Jalsa, Vidya and me. They are stars. They are the people will buy tickets and come to see. I cannot deny that. They will get paid more than me, and rightfully so. They deserve it.
I would disagree. I would buy the ticket and watch it for you. And I'm
Thank
not
you.
saying it because you are here, you know, in front of me. I truly mean it.
Our industry is so driven by stars. Now
Yeah.
it's important you know how to act. But for the longest time, it didn't matter
Yeah.
whether you knew how to act. Characters are getting more importance than just, you know, conventional hero and heroine.
What if you woke up tomorrow with a brand new talent? What would you want to do?
I want to do
dancing actually.
In 3 of us, I did.
Okay.
And in Vipul's film, I have
did you
danced.
dance in Satya also?
Yes.
You did, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. I'm very proud of being able to be a part of certain in fact, almost all projects that I've been a part of. I can very proudly say, oh, I was a part of Satya or a monsoon wedding or a
Yeah.
last year. Or,
What if you had the power to pause time? What moment in your life would you like to relive?
I'd want to go back a couple of years because that would give me extra time. You know, I've been working for a very long time and I've been appreciated, but it did not translate into better work. That move happened when OTT happened, when Delhi Crime happened, where talent was given as much value. You know, a lot of us actors who would have gotten lost otherwise came into forefront. And I wish I had more time. I'm not saying I want to be a 16-year-old or an 18-year-old, but I just know that the older I get, I'm going to have restricted kind of work, right?
You're talking of travel. Do you have any places on your bucket list?
Oh, I want to travel the whole world. I either want to work or I want to travel. Just now I came back from Manali and within a week I said, Arey, it's been really long. I didn't travel anywhere. It was like, people was like, what?
You should consider making videos also while you're
Yeah,
traveling.
you know, I
right?
thought of it and all that.
It's
Then
a lot
I
of
just-
work though.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. And then I'm like, even when I'm clicking a picture, you know, I just feel that I'm not enjoying that moment. Like now when I travel alone, it's like, oh, you get a nice picture of you sitting, which means I have to put the camera somewhere and place it. And I've wasted 25 minutes of that beautiful sunset ka color changing on a stupid phone and a stupid camera.
I know.
You know, it's just like, it's really like, it's a lot of work.
Shefali, I had so much fun today.
Thank you.
You know, just having a conversation with you and enjoying this
Amazing
delicious
food.
meal. Yeah.
Thank you
बहुत
so
मजा
much.
आया.
Absolutely my pleasure. I'll just go wash my hands. See, I didn't drop any.
Successful. Yeah.
No, I want to wash it with soap.
मेरा कुछ
I'll
गिरा
go.
क्या? नहीं ना, बच गए. हाथ इतने मेसी हो गए. धोकर आते.